In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play friends online in episode 26. So first of all, from the main menu, we need to go to online friendlies, and under it, we need to select new friendly season. And from here, we wanna select the player we wanna play with. So I have this friend, I need to select it, and then you will be able to pick teams. If you wanna play with your friend, then you can do that, or in case you wanna play against your friend, then you can do that too. Now in case you want to play with your friend in ultimate team, then for that I need to go back from here, and from the main menu we need to go to the ultimate team, and from here we need to go to the play tab, and under play tab we need to enter the play modes. Now you have a bunch of options here. In case you wanna play with your friend in rush mode, then for that you can go to the competitive tab, and there you will see rush mode. In case you wanna play versus friend in online mode or in couch play, then for that go to play versus friend tab, and under it you have couch play. In case you have friend over, then for that you can just go to couch play and pick your side. But if you wanna play with your friend online, then for that go to play a friend option. From here enter this play mode, and now just click on this plus icon and invite the friends you wanna invite in your match. So this is the process to play with your friends in ultimate team or normal play mode. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.